going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new vlog. We're here in California. We're actually here in Anaheim. We were here for VidCon and today is my birthday. We're spending my birthday here in Cali. I'm going back home to Toronto this evening, but I did find out that there was a Nike outlet like about a 15-12 minute ride away from my hotel, so we're gonna stop by there. I turned 24 years old today, so I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to everybody who sent over some birthday wishes, whether it be on Twitter or Instagram at SneakerTalk.ca. Drop me a follow if you haven't yet already, or if it was through text or my DMs or anything. Thank you for the birthday wishes. I'm a little bit lonely here in Anaheim by myself, a little bit lonely in California, but I'm excited to get back home, excited to start grinding out some videos for YouTube, for my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, and over on Twitch. If you guys haven't yet followed me on Twitch, make sure you do. It's SneakerTalk.ca, and we're gonna have some sneaker discussions over on there, along with some hangout gaming nights with myself, my girlfriend, and whoever else decides to come by and hang out, and maybe you too. If you guys want to run some Fortnite, run some Apex Legends, make sure you guys hit your boy up on Twitch. Anyways, if you guys want to win a free pair of Jordans, I actually am running a giveaway for the rest of the month on this pair. These right here, these beautiful Air Jordan 1 Gym Red, and I have 2 pairs available for the giveaway. You get to pick your size. So to enter in this giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. It's at SneakerTalk.ca. Follow me on Twitter at SneakerTalk.ca, and you either have to like retweet or like a post that are on those platforms. So it'll be super simple. Just follow me, and then you'll see the post over on that social media platform. And on this video down below, comment down below letting me know which sneaker you received for your birthday, and if you've never received a sneaker for your birthday, what sneaker you'd love to receive on your birthday that is coming up maybe next year. All the instructions will be in the description down below or in the pinned comment, so it might sound complicated, but it's super easy, and you can get some more bonus entries this month by liking and commenting any of the videos I upload this month on either of my channels. With that said, let's get going to this Nike outlet store. I actually think it's a Nike clearance store. I've never been to this one in my entire life in Anaheim, so it's gonna be a fun little trip for all of us. So let's get going. All right, so we made it at the outlets at Orange. My first time ever shopping here. Taking a look at the map directory right now. The store is all here, and it looks like they have more than just the Nike. They also have an Adidas here, a Finish Line, a Converse, a Puma. So I'll start looking around now, and I think we're stopping by Puma first since it's right in front of me. But it turns out they're having a buy one get one half price sale right now at the Puma Outlet, so that's pretty dope. Looks like they have some of those shoes that I showed you guys last time at the Puma Outlet at Dixie Outlet Mall. They have the ones that look like the Pharrells but with boost on the midsole, going for $49.99. And this one looks like more of a performance running shoe. $80 for this red and black boost. Where have you seen red and black boost before? That's crazy. I know it's not called boost because it's by Puma. I think it's called Energy, but yo, that's pretty cool to see. This is a really good clearance sneaker. We're now looking at the hash wall for all the super cheap shoes in the store, and this is the Puma Rebound Layup SL going for $27 for these Pumas right here. I feel like this is the kind of Puma you would see at Marshalls or Ross. But for $27, I mean, that's a really fantastic price for these shoes right here. They also got the Puma Thunder Spectres right here in this burgundy colorway. This seems to be the colorway I keep finding at outlets or at like Ross's or Marshalls. I can't find the price tag on these, but they do have these right here. They have this other colorway of the Puma Thunder Spectre, this time in that blue, gray, and black colorway with the speckles on the midsole right here for $28.99 or $27.99. Now the box is not the proper box, but that's also the case for these right here. So maybe they'll sell them to you at this price in a different box, but $27.99 if that's the right price. Oh man, I think we hit the mother load right here of the best Puma sneakers that they got. And check it out, they got the OG Puma Thunder Spectre right here, $69.99. That is a steal. How do you sleep on that? $70 US. They have a ton of sizes available as well. This is easily one of my favorite sneakers. And then they have another colorway here. Not too big of a fan of this colorway, $69.99. It's a black and white one, mainly with some red and yellow hits. We have another one right here, which is definitely deserving of being at the outlet. This colorway does not look good at all. And I have not seen these before. These are the Puma RSX Tech. The RSX Tech has sort of like this cell-inspired mesh upper on the toe box. Really clean colorway. I thought it was like an Adder Air collaboration at first, but really simple. White, blue, hints of beige as well on the midsole. $69.99 is a really solid price for that. So there's your look at the Puma Outlet. Now let's get going over to the next store. Oh, it's bright. It is so bright out here. Alright, so next up we actually have Shoe Palace. I didn't know there was a Shoe Palace here. I don't know if it's an outlet, but we're gonna check out the Shoe Palace in a second. The Nike outlet's right behind me, and then there's also the Finish Line right back there too. So let's hit up Shoe Palace first and see what they got. Starting off at Shoe Palace, we have the Adidas selection with the Ultra Boost 19s. They had this multicolor one. They also had the classic Oreos, the triple whites, the black with the blue hits. Here's a look at the Night Jogger selection they had. They had a couple of different colorways, and this is the one of the OG ones we actually saw on sale at the Foot Locker Outlet. I really like this new black and white Night Jogger as well. Next up, we actually have a new Marvel collab with Adidas on the Adidas Men's DON Issue 1. It sort of reminds me of a Spider-Man, Superman kind of vibe, so pretty different, pretty loud and bold basketball shoe. Next up, we got some Ultra Boosts. Now, these Ultra Boosts were on sale actually for about $100 or 70 Canadian, a really good price on these. One thing that also caught me off guard was the Shoe Palace and Puma RSX collaboration. I didn't know that any store did a collab with Puma on a pair of Puma RSXs. Not Foot Locker, not Champs, but Shoe Palace. So that's different, that's cool. Here's a look at the other Puma RSXs that they had as well. A really clean black and white colorway, good for everyday wear. I think this might have been the RSX Tech version that they just dropped. They also had this one here, which is very unique compared to the other Puma RSXs because it has all these speckles and stuff. Sort of gives me these like 90s kind of throwback vibes. We also got the Puma Puma Cell Aliens in two different colorways. So here's a look at those. And then we also had the Puma RSOs that were on sale for $40 or 30 Canadian. A really great price on these. These were like really priced well. Next up is the Nike wall, and they had the brand spanking new Nike Air Max 270 React. So it has the air unit on the back, and it has the Element React, or the React hits on the front. So you have a mixture of both of Nike's best tech in cushioning, and I still have to try those out. Here's a look at the Air Max 270s in this really nice colorway that just dropped. We got the Air Max 95s in the Just Do It pack. Not too many more Just Do It sneakers left available at stores, so it's cool to see those. And then next up, we have this new Air Jordan. I forget the name off the top of my head, but it's like a fusion between the Jordan, I think 1, 4, 6, and like it's really weird. I can't do it. I just can't do it. They also had a couple of Jordan ones, but no high tops. They had two mid tops. They had the new low tops that just dropped, the yellow pair. They also got the green pair, but no black toes because the black toes sold out pretty much everywhere. Here's a look at the Jordan Legacy 312s. They had two different colorways. So this is the black patent leather with gold hits, and then they also had the Rookie of the Year colorway. First things first, we got some sales right here with the Adidas Night Jogger. $100 for these, when I think they have the exact same colorway for regular retail price at Shoe Palace. They also have some Ultra Boost right here. Not a kind of release I'm used to seeing. It's like half suede with the heel cup right here and the toe area, and then it goes to this sort of like TPU material, and then it goes to the mesh, or the mesh upper. $140 US for these. Really clean, premium vibes right here. I mess with these heavy. Here's another colorway of the Ultra Boost I just showed you guys. A similar sort of material makeup, but different color scheme. Totally different color scheme. And these are going for $180. I like it because there's like leather on the side. We're not really used to seeing leather on the 3 stripes, and it's like a nubuck here on the actual stripes. We got green on the Ultra Boost. Pretty cool, pretty cool. These are actually on sale as well for $140 US. And then they also have the sort of makeshift Raptors colorway, I want to call it, of the Ultra Boost for $120 US. We got the purple and black prime knit upper with a hit of red on the very back heel. These are going for full retail price. And then they also have this teal green black one as well. This one's pretty cool looking. $140 for this one. A very unique looking Adidas Ultra Boost in my opinion. The bottom is really cool and funky as well. Next up, we're in the React section, and check it out. How do you guys react to these Nike Element React 55s? This sort of harvest brown colorway. Pretty cool. Actually, it almost looks like a gold color scheme. $80 US. They of course have the red ones here as well that we saw at the Nike outlet at Dixie. This is $80. I think that they were $50 at the Canadian outlet. Now we're on to the Air Jordan selection, and they have the Jordan Legacy 312s in 2 colorways for $105 US. We saw this at the other location, or Shoe Palace. They also have this gray one too. I've not seen this gray colorway before. Probably one of the more simpler ones out there. Not as loud as some of the other crazy ones we've seen. Check these out though. These are insane. This is a very loud Air Jordan 1 mid. It has this like all over black and white print that says Jordan, 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 like in a bunch of different fonts. And it's cool. It's cool. I don't know the exact name for this one. It says Air Jordan 1 mid on the inside, $110 US, but these are some bold, loud sneakers for the summer. Taking a look at the retros, they got the Air Jordan 4 with the grandma leather on them, $150 US, down from $190. They got these white and blue 10s here as well. I'm not too crazy about 10s, but that's a pretty decent price for these. I feel like these can go even lower at the Nike outlet yet. Just give it a couple of more months or weeks. And then here's an all-white Air Jordan 1 mid for the summer. It has like this icy bottom on the bottom here. So if you love those icy bottoms. And then they also have this Air Jordan logo on the back that we're not used to seeing. I'm pretty sure I've seen this kind of logo on t-shirts in the past, but probably one of the first times we've seen them on the Retro 1 itself. Then we got the Air Jordan 1 wing logo there in a very, very thin font, and the Jumpman on the tongue. These are looking a little bit dirty already, so you might want to discount these because these are getting a little nasty. They also have a few colorways of those Air Jordan 4 inspired training shoes right here. $60, down from $100. This is the Toro colorway. They also have a bread colorway here as well for $70. You can call this one a Fear colorway because it's like a black, white, gray one, but they got a Fear colorway. And then last but not least, they also have a white cement. So if you love your Jordan 4s, but you know, you want to use them for some running shoe purposes, then this is the shoe that you want to swap into. Not really a fan of these ones. I think they did the best execution on the Toro colorway, probably because I love the Toro so much. That's probably why I like the shoe. But yeah, this is the best looking one out of the three in my opinion. Which ones do you guys like more? Do you like the Toro? Do you like the black cement? Or do you like the white cement? Let me know with the poll in the top right hand corner. Nike Outlet time. Let's see if we can get lucky today. So it looks like they made a Nike free run Just Do It 2018 I did not know about for $69.99 now on sale, down from that $100 price point. A little bit of Just Do It branding, not too much compared to the other releases. So first things first, we'll check out the main shelves where they have lots of sizes for all the shoes available. They got the new 720s from the Pride collection from last month. A ton of sizes available. Full retail price though, no discount. The boxes are cool. I didn't know they did this for the boxes. I like it, I like it. Now I want some skills. They also got these, the Tailwind 79 Beat Trues, not as loud as the 720s. They also got the Epic React Flyknits, but these are not any extra discount, and it looks weird. It really reminds me of like when you had a shoe and you played soccer with it in elementary school and you got grass stains on it. That's what this yellow on the side really reminds me of. Not really digging these at all, and the upper looks just dirty. The upper looks dirty. It looks like it's supposed to be a clean sky blue, but it looks like someone stepped on it like 101 times. They also got a couple colorways of the Air Max 720s on sale for $135 US. So here's the one colorway. Here is the second colorway. Here's the third colorway, and the final colorway, the gray one. It's looking pretty dry here today, though. Like there isn't much. It's just a bunch of like generic Nike trainers, Nike running shoes. Nothing crazy. Nothing like we've seen at the other outlets in the past. These are the best shoes at the Nike outlet so far. They also have the Element React 55s in that red colorway for $70 US. They also got the blue ones for $70 US, but that's it. Alright, so I found the Jordan Retro section and I'll show you guys that in a second, but for now, they have a really good hash wall, like a really good hash wall, and everything is an extra 20% off. So let's get digging. Here's the sign, an extra 20% off everything, and I like that they have the pricing right here, so it's easy for you to calculate. You don't have to break your brain over any simple math. We're gonna start off in the smaller foot section and then work our way up to the larger ones. Here in the 8.5 section, we got the Nike Zoom Rookie for $99.99 with an extra 20% off. That seems like a really good price for these. These aren't that bad. $110 US for these Air Force 1 highs in this black and white colorway, size 8. Now, it looks like they do have some more colorways of the Element React 55. Here we have the gray colorway for $70 US with an extra 20% off. These are size 7.5 men's. Next up, I think these are Air Force 2s. Yeah, Nike SB Air Force 2 Low Quick Strike for $50 with an extra 20% off. These are size 8.5. Not really a fan of the Air Force 2. I'm a way bigger fan of the Air Force 1s, but this is a pretty unique colorway. It's different. They have the Nike Air Max 95 Have a Nike Days for $170 with an extra 20% off. This is a pretty recent release, so cool to see it here at the Nike outlet. Ooh, I messed with these. These are cool for the summer. The Nike Epic React Flyknits, size 9, $90 with an extra 20% off, so it comes to $72 US. It's got this blue, this teal, and this hit of like hot punch or fruit punch, I want to call it. Really great shoe for the summer and super lightweight as well. They have 3 of these in size 9. The classic Nike Cortez in that Forrest Gump colorway, going for $59.99 with an extra 20% off. It becomes $48 plus tax. 3 size 9s, no size 10s that I can see so far. Really good price on these. This is a recent release too, the Blazer Mid 77 Vintage for $100. So with that discount, it becomes $80 US plus tax. Not really feeling this colorway. I like the other ones that they did though. This black colorway is not really good for spring or summer, but back to school, this is a good shoe for that. Here's a look at the Vapor Maxes that they have. They have this blue colorway, They got this black with hits of purple on them. And then here's a look at the Air Max Plus selection, an OG colorway. Air Max Plus OG for 120, down from 160. Not really feeling this one. I didn't even know this was an OG colorway. That's pretty cool. So they got this gray one with the red hits. They have another one here, yellow with navy blue, $110, $10 cheaper than the other. We have the ones with the print on the side. Then we have a super like sleek one. Not really feeling these ones. I really like the ones with like that gradient tiger kind of print on the side. And check it out, they also have the low top black and gum Air Force One utilities for $90 US plus tax, and they have a ton of sizing available as well. There's so many pairs available. So for $90, if that's enticing for you, hit up the Nike outlet here in Anaheim. Ooh, check these out. They got the LeBron 3 quick strikes here for $175 with an extra 20% off. Was not expecting to find some retro LeBrons here at the Nike outlet today. They got the new Superman LeBrons here for $200. Was not expecting to find these here either. These are bold. These are very loud. These are cool. They got some Premier Air Force One lows for $80, size 10 in this like boot kind of colorway. It has this very thick brown nubuck on the toe box. Then it has this like waterproof mesh here on the side as well. Feels very durable. Feels like a low top boot, but it doesn't have like the boot treading or anything like that. These are $80 US plus tax. Next up, we got these yellow Air Jordan 5s. I don't know the exact nickname for this particular one, but its retail price is $225 US, and you can get an extra 20% off of that for these ones here. I love yellow on these Jordan 5s. Really reminds me of the Tokyos, but that navy blue is just not doing it for me. Yeah, so apparently these Air Jordans just came out a couple of days ago, so I can't believe they're already here. Wow, I can't believe these are at the outlet too already. The Air Jordan 6s, that 3M all reflective upper. These just came out like a couple of weeks ago to my knowledge. $200 US with maybe an extra 20% off. But yeah, just another shocking sneaker to find here at the Nike clearance store. These really remind me of the infrareds, but of course instead of that white upper, it has this all 3M. This is gonna crease really badly too. It's gonna show all the cracks and stuff when you wear these after a couple of wears. And you got the Nike Air on the back for a non-OG release. Not too sure how I feel about that. But yeah, these are loud. These are loud. Here's a look at another Air Jordan they have here. These are the 14s in that all yellow colorway. I forget the exact name for this version. I think it's the alternate Ferrari, because it has yellow and then hits of red instead of the red with hits of yellow. But $200 with an extra 20% off for these. These are probably the best colorway of the Air Max Pluses here at the outlet today. $110 plus tax, down from $160, and you get an extra 20% off that. The black, the silver here, the way it contrasts, really, really nice. You got this hit of peach for the swoosh on the side, and some 3M reflective accents on the back, on the booty there too. So really nice Air Max Plus. I mess with these heavy. They only have sizes 10.5 and 11 though. Can't find a size 10. Next up, we got some more Jordan 5s for $140 US. I think these are actually the Michigan Air Jordan 5. We have this all blue upper, very loud, and we have hits of yellow on the ankle, on the little teeth here as well, and on the Jumpman. And this is surprising to see. They got the Air Jordan 3 JTH with all the removable swooshes on this one, and they're going for $160 US, down from $225. They have a lot of sizes available for these ones as well, just like these blue ones. So lots and lots of sizes available for these Jordan 3s. The Air Max 1 inspired Jordan 3s. These are nice. And at that price point of $160 US, that's a pretty decent price. Damn, this is a steal. The Kobe 1 Pro Tros for $100 US. They have a lot of sizes available for these as well. That classic Lakers colorway, white leather upper with the hits of purple, $100 US. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you guys comment down below to enter the Air Jordan 1 Gym Red giveaway by subscribing to this channel, subscribing to my second channel, SneakerTalk 365, and following me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA, and comment down below letting me know a sneaker you received for your birthday, or if it's your birthday coming up, what sneaker would you love to be gifted for your birthday. I'll be streaming on Twitch, I think on Saturday, so make sure you guys follow me on Twitch at SneakerTalkCA. We'll be streaming on Saturday with my girlfriend. It's gonna be a good time. I'll probably start around 8 p.m., 9 p.m. Eastern, and yeah, we're gonna have a fun time talking about sneakers and playing some video games. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you again for all of the birthday wishes. Oh, and if you wanted to give me a birthday present, feel free to binge watch my videos this week, or just watch one more video. It would mean a lot to me. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.